All right, you'll notice that my thread broke. Hey, it's not a problem. Don't lose sleep over this. This is such an easy process for you to fix, and it's no biggie. And even if you run out of bobbin thread, how you repair your design is simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to release my carriage. All right, now I can move the machine. All right, so I can put it back. I'm going to rethread my needle. And remember, my bobbin thread's still connected right down there at the bottom. So as I thread it, I'm going to quickly thread it. Now, I can move my back to where it stopped quilting, and it was right here in this little area. But notice how close it is. I'm going to bring it back just slightly, all right? So it may overstitch on an area. You could unpick just a little bit so you have a free area where you can align it. I'm going to tap on repair pattern. It's right here next to the release carriage. Okay, now it opens up our repair pattern screen. When you look at the screen, you'll notice a little button that says closest stitch. I've moved mine back to where it kind of stops sewing a little bit further, and I'm going to tap on closest stitch, because now it's going to find the nearest stitch on your design in that area. Okay, now that I've done that, notice on the screen, that's where I'm at. I'm going to use my single stitch right here to make sure that I'm just right on, and I am. I'm going to pull up my bobbin thread and cut it. All right. Just going to cut it right here. Pull that out of the way. Going to cut it right here. And later on I can really fix that little area with that little tail. And now I'm going to tap on sew. So making another tie-off stitch. And after it starts sewing, I can then cut it really quick and stand back. Again, let it do its thing. See? That was simple.